Title: IoT Reaction. Name: Adrian Paul M. Kaptugan. Course and Block: Hospitality Management, Block 36. Instructor: Hans Christian Malhin. Explain the IoT. The Internet of Things is a vast and growing network of connected physical devices, vehicle appliances, and another object, embedded with electronic software, sensors, and network connectivity, which is enable this object to collect and another exchange data. Essentially is about giving everyday things the ability to talk each another and use to us through in the internet. How IoT works: the connected data needs to the transmitted somewhere. This is where connectivity comes in. An IoT device use various communication technologies to connect to the internet or local network. Common methods include Wi-Fi to device home or office, Bluetooth for short-range connection often between a device and smartphone, cellular network, 3G, 4G, 5G for devices that need greater coverage like this in vehicle or remote location. Advantage of IoT: that device can automate everyday tasks, making life more convenient. Example, including smart homes, where lights, appliances, and security system can be controlled remotely or automatically based on schedule or preference. Disadvantage of IoT: the security concern. That device, especially those with weak security protocol, are vulnerable to hacking. Cyber criminals can exploit the vulnerability to gain access to sensitive data, control device remotely, or even launch broader cyber attack. And the second one is depends of technology. Increased reliance of IoT device can make individuals and business overly depends on technology, creating vulnerability in case of system failures. It's important to acknowledge and address this advantage to fully realize the potential of IoT while mitigating the risk. This is required a collaborative effort from manufacturers and developers, policymakers, and users to establish robust security standards, protect user use privacy, and ensure responsibility use of IoT technology. Conclusion: the Internet of Things is a double-edged sword. It offers immense potential for progress, driving efficiency, improving lives, and providing valuable data. However, it also brings significant risks to privacy, security, and potentially exacerbates inequality. Ultimately, the good or bad of IoT depends on our choice. By prioritizing the ethical developments, robust security, and equitable access, we can harness the IoT powers of a better future. Give a final option in IoT, good or bad for society. The IoT is powerful and transformative technology, but like any tools, its impact on society can be both good and bad. It's not simple equation, and the ultimate outcome depends on how they develop and implement it.